Tesla launches short shorts for real. You could not let me not cover this topic today. I sent you the stories and you said, Lou, I think you've missed the most important story that has happened since you had your 2 days off. And of course, you're probably right. Tesla on a bit of a goof, having a little bit of fun, a little bit of a troll, a little bit of a meme in 2020. This is how things work.
They're having fun.
You tweet something, you make it real to complete the entire joke. That's a joke. That's an Elon Musk. That's a full joke in 2020. It's funny to a point when you talk about it, but then it gets really bizarrely funny when it's a real thing.
Yeah.
And you make a few bucks while you're at it.
Yeah, why not?
Now, you know the story about the short shorts. It's a play on the idea of people shorting Tesla stock, which that's been the bane of Elon's existence for a while. It's like a person, it's like somebody on social media who just hates you, let's say, or doesn't want to see you succeed and constantly reminds you of that. Well, Elon and Tesla, they have their own versions of that. And this happens pretty much anywhere where somebody's having success, there has to be naysayers. It's just how the universe works.
Yeah, balance.
And regardless of, there's a really great case to be made about Tesla being overpriced right now. That the stock price is too high. So I'm not even necessarily saying that the short sellers are wrong, but I don't know if you recall, he got into some trouble once upon a time, suggesting that Tesla could go private, funding secured, for $420 a share.
It was a tweet.
But the crazy part is, Will, people thought the 420 was crazy back then.
Yeah.
And look at the stock price today. You're on the chart right now. 1,003. That's almost $1,000 more than the 420 tweet. So anyway, here's a bit of a joke. You put the actual short shorts out. Now, it's not the first time Musk has been joking about short shorts, because he sent an actual box of short shorts to one of the most famous short position holders on Tesla stock, this guy, David Einhorn. And then Einhorn, at the time, and this is all in the Electrek article, he fired back by saying his shorts had some defects. Just like some Teslas have some defects. So he's been going at it for a while. But the joke doesn't end. The joke even goes into the price tag. The price of these short shorts that you could actually buy, I presume they're sold out at this point, was $69.42. 420, 69. He's making jokes. It's just jokes on top of jokes.
He likes to have fun.
Now, the whole website went down. It was kind of a flamethrower moment.
Yeah.
Because everybody had to get these shorts, the short shorts. And it's posted not on Tesla's main site, but on their kind of merch shop where they sell hats. Maybe they probably sell that hat that you're wearing over there. I don't know. And that's where this took place. So the site went down when he tweeted it. It was just getting crushed and hammered. Everybody wanted the shorts. Can you still get the shorts right now? No, sold out.
No.
Sold out.
All sizes.
On the short shorts. And we couldn't figure out, were they unisex? Could they be worn by both male and female? Or it's only a female model, so it was a curious thought. I know you were hoping you could pull it off yourself.
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
That's the dream.
Anyways, yeah, Tesla stock, it keeps skyrocketing, and it's there's some kind of Bitcoin effect happening with Tesla. It's the more people that doubt it, the higher the stock price goes.
Apparently.
And I don't know what that tells you. I don't know if that makes it resilient or just fun. And does it matter? Or is a part of this thing, a part of this game, is it about the fun factor? Is it about, could investments and stock prices and the stock market be influenced? And of course, yeah, could it be influenced in a way almost like consumer behavior, where you feel you belong to a club, you feel like you're a part of something, you feel as though you belong as a Tesla investor, and you're not necessarily examining the bottom line or the number of deliveries, but you're just going to sit and hold because you believe it is the future eventually. and you believe in something deeper within the company beyond their current profits or losses. I mean, it's a new concept, and we have to see how it plays out, but it appears that the stock market in general is kind of moving in that direction.